Good morning, my name is Ken Earl. This is a continuing video series of optimization of the OI Analytical FS3700 auto analyzer. Here you see the parts that we removed from a standard configuration. Now I'd like to show you what our version of the standard OI Analytical FS3700 looks like. If you recall, in the prior video, this had a very different look to it. You see now that all of the valve connections are coming directly into the valve instead of going into the organizing bar. The sample's coming directly into the cartridge. The pump tubes are coming directly to the mixing tees. We have just one type of flanged fitting tubing in all of these, one type of Teflon. Here we see in the cyanide that once again the valve is coming directly with the pump tubes. The sample's coming directly to here. It's mixing, it's going into the UV coil, it's coming out, and it's going to waste. We have a couple things that are a little different here. First of all, we used one type of FEP Teflon tubing, which is a premier type of tubing. These are all finger tight flange fittings, all consistent. You can have 4 or 5 different types and plumb any cartridge you want. We also add on the cyanide a particular extension of tubing so that the sample passes directly through the manifold before any issues. When you put the lure directly onto a manifold, you can have problems. On the nitrate cartridge, you'll see that we put a little mixing coil before the cadmium coil would come on. We also use flange fittings instead of ferrules because ferrules constrict over time and start to be problematic. Once again, we're bringing all of the reagents directly into these manifolds. Now, this is just a straight conversion of a standard OI configuration, just bypassing and getting rid of the excess materials, so all cause problems over time. We also can take these T's and put them in one manifold. We can take this gas diffusion module and have all of these in one, in which case you could add phosphate to this and simply change the connections. You could also run WAD and total on one platform without having to change the manifolds between use. So look for our next video where we talk about how to make this platform even more efficient and effective and easier to operate with many more chemistries sitting on it with very little effort for the operators. Thank you very much and have a great day.